Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the basic concept of BIDMAS, BODMAS or PEMDAS. Basically all these are, you can say, kind of similar to each other, but there is a little bit difference in between this PEMDAS other than that these two, BIDMAS and BODMAS, are exactly the same. So how they are same, let's see. First of all, the first term in all three is B and P, that is brackets and parentheses. So all these are exactly the same. Whenever there is a term in which we have something written inside bracket, let's suppose this is the example which is given over here. So how we are going to start the question, from where we are going to start? Are we going to multiply this 3 with something, or are we going to add these things? So if you know about BIDMAS, BODMAS or PEMDAS, so you just recall it and you will remember that okay, the first thing that we are going to solve here is bracket or parenthesis, which is exactly the same, the opening bracket, the closing bracket, or maybe the square brackets, or maybe these parentheses, the curve bracket. So here we can see that there is a round bracket. So here first of all you are going to start the question by solving this bracket. So here inside the bracket we have 4 plus 1, simple additions. We are going to add them first. Now whatever is remaining we are going to write it over here. So here you can see 5 multiplied with 3, which is very simple. You can find out the answer, and the answer will be 15. Now next, what is next which is given over here? The next term in all these three cases is exactly the same, which is indices, order or exponent. These three are exactly the same. It means like if something is written in this way, like there is a number 2 and there is a square, then there is plus, then there is 5, and then there is minus 3. Let's suppose this is an example in which we have indices. So this is something with a power is called, this power is called indice. So obviously the order is also same. Order of 2 is given as 2, or exponent is also the same thing, the power. So if something is given in form of power in a question, so what we have to do after looking for brackets, the second thing which we have to solve is the indices. So here in this question we are not gonna subtract these two, but first we are going to start with this power. So 2 square means 2 into 2, 2 times 2. Here you can write like this way if you want to write it in expanded form. Otherwise you can directly solve it. It is 2 square, that is 4, then plus 5, and then minus 3. Now the third thing in both of them is a little bit different. Here you can see in BIDMAS or BODMAS they have on third number they have division, but if you are solving questions for PEMDAS then you have multiplication first. So this is the difference between these three. Like this one is a little bit different, but these two are exactly the same. Okay, so if you are using BODMAS and BIDMAS, then the third thing that you have to solve after brackets or indices is division. But if you are doing PEMDAS, then you have to solve multiplication. So now if there is a question, first I will solve it for BIDMAS and then I will solve the same question for PEMDAS. So for BIDMAS or BODMAS, the question is 5 plus 1 multiplied by 6 divided by 3. So the same question with BIDMAS and then for PEMDAS. So for BIDMAS obviously there is no bracket, there is no indices, so I have to take a look for division. So yes, there is something which is in division. So 6 divided by 3. Other terms I am going to write same as it is, and then 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then again by using BIDMAS or BODMAS you can see that next thing is M, multiplication. So yes, so here 5 plus 2 into 1 obviously, which is 2, and then addition. So here these two are gonna add up with each other, and which is 7 answer. Now I am going to solve the same question with PEMDAS. So here there is no parenthesis, there is no exponents, but there is multiplication. So I am starting with multiplication. So here we can say 5 plus 6 ones are 6 divided by 3. Now the next thing that I have to perform is division. So this part, 5 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then next addition. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, now in all of these three, the next one is addition. So, and after that it's subtraction. So whatever question you get, you have to, after multiplication and division, you have to do addition first and then subtraction. Now I am going to give an example in which we have all the given operations in it, and let's see how we are going to solve the question. So the question is 5 plus 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 8 plus 7 and then minus 2 square. So this is the question. So first solve it with BODMAS or BIDMAS. According to BODMAS or BIDMAS, we have brackets first. So here are the brackets. 5 plus 4, that is 9. 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 8 plus 7 minus 2 square. Now the next thing is indices or order, this one. So 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 8 plus 7 minus 2 square is 4. Now next we have division. So this part. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 multiplied by 8 plus 7 minus 4. Next we have multiplication. So 8 into 3 is 24 plus 7 minus 4. And then we have addition. So 24 plus 7 is 31 minus 4, and then subtraction. So 31 minus 4 is 27 answer. Now here let's check the answer with PEMDAS. Okay, now let's solve it with PEMDAS. So P parenthesis, the same thing, that is brackets. So 5 plus 4 is 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 8 plus 7 minus 2 to the whole square. Now here the second thing is exponent, this one, the same thing, power or order. 7 minus 2 square is 4. Here is a little bit change, we have multiplication first. So here we are going to multiply these two. 9 divided by 3 into 8, that is 24 plus 7 minus 4. So obviously this is going to change our answer. So now division. So 9 divided by 24 is a decimal number. It's 0.375 plus 7 minus 4. Now we have addition. So the answer will be 7.375 minus 4, and then subtraction. So when we are going to subtract these two, we will get answer 3.375. So this is how we solve the question with PEMDAS. And also I have solved the question through BODMAS and BIDMAS, which are exactly the same. So I hope you like the video. If you have any questions related to BIDMAS, BODMAS or PEMDAS, then you can comment down and let me know. Then I can solve that question and explain you well. So I hope you like the video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.